alignment, just make sure that under the text control, the wrap text there should be checked. Alright, welcome back to my channel, and for this video, my friends, we will be having our short discussion regarding the formatting of spreadsheets. Alright, so to further enhance our spreadsheet, we can actually format a number of elements such as text, numbers, color, and table styles. Spreadsheets can become our professional documents, especially used for our students. You can use this for presentations, for our employees, for our corporate professionals. You can use this for corporate meetings and other events. So basically, for this video, we will be just talking all about regarding how to wrap a text. So wrapping text. For example, we have here a text. Let's just type text wrapping. Okay, there's actually two ways on how we can wrap this text. As you can see, my friends, the term text wrapping in the cell C4, that's actually beyond the scope of that cell. That's why we need to wrap it from the term itself. We should wrap it. So the first way is actually on the home tab, which is where we are in right now. You can see here wrap text. Just click this, okay, and it will automatically wrap. I hope you get it. That's the first one. Now let's undo this. For the second way of text wrapping, you can actually right click on the cell, which is on our cell, that's actually C4. So right click, then click the format cells, and then a window will pop up. So as you can see, this is the window, format cells. We have here number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. For this video, we will talk about alignment regarding text wrapping. And for the number, font, border, fill, and protection, we will be talking about this in our next tutorials, short tutorials. So on the alignment, just make sure that under the text control, the wrap text there should be checked. Okay, and after checking, just click OK, and it will be automatically wrapped. So that's how easy text wrapping is. I hope you learned something from this very short video, and thank you for clicking this video. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.